Shivoham, 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 Shivoham. If one has a heavy karmic burden that one is shedding through sadhana, how can one reduce the intensity and suffering of it, or not have to go through the suffering and symptoms at all? Is this possible? Is this possible? You see that sometimes we feel that we are suffering too much than it is needed. Too much than it is needed. Even we are doing the sadhana, you feel intensity of suffering is too much. The karmic baggage is too much. Karmic burden is too much. How I can overcome? If it is possible, then what is the way? So, one of the main objective of this global meditation, group meditation, is this only. How I can overcome my sticky karma, heavy karma, that is not possible individually. Even I am doing regular sadhana, regular Srividya meditation, but individually I couldn't able to come out of this intensity of my problem, intensity of karma and suffering. How I can? One of the very important is this group meditation, that you can do it. And second thing is the energy tools that are given. You are using the meditation, but still intensity is not reduced, means I have to intensify my sadhana. Intensify my sadhana. How I am going to do? Healing, siddha healing, I am going to do this. Then I am going to do havan. You see that? You learn the havan part. So I intensify my sadhana using the extra tools apart from the meditation, so that I can overcome all this suffering. And apart from just doing the sadhana, being aware, what lesson is there for me in this suffering? Yes or no? Every problem hold one dimension, one vibration, one energy, one belief within your karmic blueprint. If you are not aware of that belief, negative thought, negative thing within you, and you are just meditating, you are just doing the other outside things, but not doing the self-analysis, being aware of your thoughts, negative thoughts, belief about your special suffering, then you cannot overcome. So we know there are lessons, 5 lessons. What are the 5 lessons? Acceptance or self-acceptance, self-care, self-allowance, self-love, okay, then self-forgiveness, and ultimately self-awareness, knowing the truth about myself. When I say self, it is not in the beginning, it is only you as an individual. But as you progress, what happens? It is other also. I allow, I accept, I forgive, I care myself and other. I know the truth about myself and other people, this world and this existence. So, to end the intensity of suffering, you intensify the sadhana, use the extra energy tools like havan. It will amplify your power minimum 10 to 100 times. Use a siddha healing for specific karmas. In siddha healing especially, you know that the second and third level, you make a ball of siddha shakti and release, that you can use it. Plus be aware of your inner negative blocks, that are your thoughts, negative belief, negative feeling. Overcome with that, then you can go beyond this suffering. And very important is global meditation, group meditation, the one that you cannot handle individually. That's where you need to attend the global meditation, especially this year, to release all those past life karma that you cannot do it for yourself. That is the importance of this group meditation, where Sadguru is there, Divine Mother is there, Khadgamala, Devatas are there, their presence is there, their special way of working with your soul is going to take place. Shivoham, Shivoham, Shivoham.